Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to see Reels history on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to the Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the settings icon on the top right. Now scroll down and go to activity log and go to your Facebook activity. Now go to posts, your comments and reactions. You can also go to this Reels, your activity with Reels, and go to your Reels. Or you can go to manage Reels. And here you can find all the Reels history on your Facebook. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.